of a poverty, wretched, stinking amutanata. And I watch him and got picture I know here. This dog of a annoyer. This dog of a nobody. Nka get end up like Udele. Nka na eju kwa aga ba na England. Ibe ye nwechana keke na pepe na England. Ima na moto na agba. His mates are driving keke na pepe. This poverty, wretched, educated fool. And I watch him ezeka na boy again. This idiot oregaro maka kanika na choya Ishi from England balaga. This criminal bandits. And I watch him ezie. This karma, this pure onyoshi. That they were in the group raising money and he had the audacity to put up a straight face to come and deny it. I heard that he said, Ogechi, I don't know how to read, I don't know how to speak English. Oh wait, no problem. No problem. Is that a big deal? Hell no. But imam you like ya, akam gego. Kange maihe, kange bauru, kange womadu, kage motomu, kage we future, kage we anything that the life can ever imagine. But you are educated fully, so try English. You got sorrow and negin. See how useless you are. You want to think of faculty in an England for almost 150 years. You can't even stay in. Come on, that's una akpu. That una big holes and una that's England. You can't even stay that place and conduct the program because roommates get Ishi. Or when you keep a moto, onye 1 week you will not go see her again. You see how useless all of you guys are. That is how I know English, I don't agree. I don't sabi anything. I don't agree. Am I arguing with you? No, I'm not arguing with you. You dog of Anoya. You He girl England away gang. England wubu weki. And when anything in what try bottle, that you don't want Yamereki. I want Yamerego because of you were useless idiot like Udele. Who is calling me? Hello?
Caution, speed bump.
Don't call me. Don't talk with rubbish. Don't talk with trash. I'm a block of yourself. I'm sure I can do a number. Don't talk to anyone here. No one, I'm not talking to him. I'm not him chat and block him. You see how the audacity to be calling me. I'll block you. Tell me my video now. Block this thing. I will let you number. I would have blocked. Now listen. You dog of a pig, I know here. A failure in next life, you're a failure in this generation. Now listen to me. Onyoshi criminals, poor pauper. So you guys are ashamed of yourselves. You cannot put an reply emoji. The only thing that made me balagin ketewu because I'm busy. I'm a busy person. As you see me now, I'm heading to work. You feel me? I'm a very busy person. At least I go to school. I go to mama, I go to but at least I pass the American board or pass here in the gas school. But you England, today when he pass it. And when he pass it, can be E.T. Odoshi Bianso include if I talk froggy. We know you're not coming back to Nigeria. Maganya and Dala up in Obodo Yibo. At least I won't whine. I may say I'm not coming, but I'm not coming. But to walk here on a barangana yourself. A man on a barangana yourself. You know how useless you are. We had a long one, yellow pudding, about lost get Ishi. But you dog of a piggy. You wasted product. I'm a who's so long nugget. Look at in the group. Udele. What lesbian? Actually, before Tulayan from Istanbul to Nigeria. Ejiri la ni me gonna must go. They got ya. Onye choba mogalo. Ojele nagagoroko. Upon Ejibu, his situation became worse. On a daily basis. His pain keep increasing. After all, I was going to like seal. Offer has to be a buru. Akpara. Get was it final. Kegi. Oh. Iba loss of bossa. Japa couldn't galactic. Boss of Iri me woogie. Iri me woods wound nine. Eh? Yela born England. In fact, imagine your name. Look at Ishonyana. These are the kind of people who got in my hotel. Because I went to Hano Taliri. Useless things. But who for their brain? Eh? I would the man who got in a hotel. Bakalan bed. In the what I got to. Email. And what can one around? And then I've been an Airbnb. Hello, root TV. Root, I like this my new Airbnb project now. We are trying to open. Eh? Even the TV camera not here. You cannot rule that negi. Idiot, useless people are prono. Bigger working with common sense. Sense any na la yele. Idiot, I don't know. Ojukwe jaba. Yan on outside the mosquito there. By 12 o'clock, yan around the program. She idiot, I don't know. She like a Bobby. Ekpela man no go school. Ekpela man no sabi speak. Ekpela man no sabi what he confine me. But come on, I can put a man here working on one name. Come tiegi. Come tiegi. Come wagi. Now, need it's a fair question. Charamuka who flew ya. I tried that tamu. And you so ye jame banuru. Cause that tamu no give me imamuki. Chime cannot walk it. It's a west. It's a west. I tell you the way it is. It's a west. A woman walking in and I walk question buam. How watch to her like this? At Roya on your empower. Because you are worthless, you are hopeless. You will repana. Who repana? Equalamo. And work past school and not sabi anything, but at least I got to be here every day here. What is your certificate? Can you know? The highest gun on social worker. I'm a man $10 per 10 pounds per hour. No, you bought English. Speaking great English. And they cut the touts. And they cut the hungry walking return. No heaven, no come down. Yeah. Bia Nigeria menye every just why English when he came on hagede macho like a receptionist ga no dia na calculate la mun de garananda bata. Let me place you a place. Na kuga jibu goke pano we guru. I place you at a hotel quarters. Ki na regarding nke wuri. Ki were resa, ki suru resa ba ho no game. I'm gori scarce. You cannot clean that your dirty white and one idiot. I know here. Come on, Baba, you know if you pay to clear that your dirty stinking and one. You should have got here by John. He has already a few days. I'm busy. I'm very busy. Sorry guys, mommy him my this thing. I think my network. Every big about na downtown. Game with network issue, you know. So my network could be a bit to act up. So this chima confused man. Kogena na boy apple. Mama ebe she don't pour ya. Na England happy there she azuzu wezi you watala pari akwazi e na ezuzu na aga. Now listen to me. Imagine game ine deje gbanwe onwe gi ka ewuruzie onye apari because ari uru ibara as far as I'm concerned uru ibara ihe ma okporo English in England ni no ozugbo nu ni na aso nothing to write home about. When ji asopụta unu eji ihe teach ga our people anything unu eji ihe mega anything bara uru unu chabro English unu na so unu the most brokers as anything I can ever imagine brain unu ha na arụ ọrụ you know Amamu matete no na kuchuku no brain. None of you guys reason normal. You feel me? So, amamu uru unu bana. Especially people like you. You want to go? At least ga borge wore no keke na pa yarubi ibege guarantee akon ho no. I guarantee a motor for 1 week. Guarantee enu. Danigaga he make a video in the middle of the night to go put one place uwogi. Ngi deny you go shoe no suga na WhatsApp. Ngi deny you got the WhatsApp group unu create. I don't know the WhatsApp group on your la quality me. What's on your raise ego? Raise we kwa de go. And I just say how is Ogechi getting the information? I am that I just read the WhatsApp group. How is this dog of Anu Nenu? Oh, what? Yes, I'm a what? And I just say, how is this woman getting all that our information? I'm there. What I don't pass Gario. Chai, Chineke. I say, Chineke, died. These people to the 80. Chai, 210, all do with 2.10 thousand, all do with 3. The thing all gube. The thing all gube. Eh? The thing all gube. Chineke, God. China. Che, when we tell her now, I don't agree. Because of my daddy, Ebuko Bisha, they must beg money. Yeah, but I be clear. We did not beg money. Chimeze, you are the most useless person I have ever seen. Number one, it's too dry. It can't even save with them. Yeah, wouldn't get in a minute if you arrest my friend that I love so much. If you arrest somebody that I love so much, my friend, that I don't want that friend to at least to be relevant and to be, you know. I mean, what you need to do, you book up a ticket. Even so, you guys should not even create a WhatsApp group to generate any fund. You know we here. Look at how Udele is wasting. It's okay. We gonna put you never see anything. You never see anything. A broke-ass nigga, the most broke-ass nigga I have ever seen in my entire generation. They poor in reasoning, they poor in thinking, they poor in your movement. Everything about you, they poor. You're a punk criminal, a bandit, a child molester. In Nigeria, you was busy molesting children. Before God also ticket. We better London or we hit her. Oh, let's have before your money here before your money here London, America. Ibera London town. He just work as English. He spent 55 years of your life to learn how to speak English. Okay, so China, who are you using it to oppress? Who are you using it to intimidate? Just to come here and talk about talk rubbish. I could again I bridge and I go get bridge na Facebook. Come on, go and use it and make something baru roiso. Ndeke bokana go bodo yiboke iga pauru matara ego kabeda asranyi nya that man. They are is that broken? Is there? Is broken? Are you not coming out to tell us how broken and how you're supposed to be given these touts? These morons, this miscreants on social media, supposed to be giving them updates. How Udele is not broken, he's in a high spirit. Nothing give me joy. Pass it, they say Udele, they inside there. Nothing they give me joy. Nothing they give me joy. Say they cry. It's not broken. Hey, the thing they give me joy. Hey, no like this. Yeah, where is Udele? Udele is in high spirit. Udele is in high spirits. Oh, see how all of us are free, going by our businesses. Udele is there crying, hoping when is it gonna be. What is it? You see? If you're even lucky, I'm England down. Don't even try to step your foot anywhere. Just stay there. Remain there. Na gana pick here about na guy Natalie. Garawa will joke Garawa very soon. If that leg is not moving, can money get move again. You see how free we are. You see I'm enjoying my heater because all the way that the chama be a low good heater self. In by Imran 2024 GLC baby. 2024 GLC Tiaroba baby. Can you drive this kind of a car? Can you drive it on Tiganwo? The thing who need poverty and Ishi. A broge generation again, of course. I'm pogi a generation with generation again, a depuya that financial problem. In fact, can give me an increase. You know why? English is not broken. Udele is in high spirits. This dog of man. The cause you with your family that is very wretched already. How are you gonna replace those land? A dog of a pig like you. A dog of a loser like you. A dog of a son of a nobody like you. Get a chala, negolo, kokoroko, everything I walk a papa. I think I'm meaning I will never put it. Echemo onya azunu ya azu ibe ya. Echemo onya azunu, echemo onye mere onya azunu ya azu ibe ya. Emere giyeme. Echemo onye metere emete ibe ya. Geru kegidoro like Udele. Atrola a football. Ore abaye gbogbo nde Nigeria at that time. A ship back home. They had to ship Udele. Elenu Magapu for we are better Nigeria very worse. Show me your friends, I will tell you who you are. Who do you associate with? Kende. Now that was a video I was watching today. There was a video this my pretty sister that opened the page. Please make sure you guys follow her page because make sure you guys follow her page, you know she's a kind of a shy person. She hardly come online, but I told her as a pretty young lady, as a single pretty lady, I know you're not coming to Facebook to look for anything, but you need to socialize. You are very pretty. You need to socialize, meet people, meet Ndebanuru, and I'm actually IT informant and the nurse at the same time. You are busy time, you are free time. Put videos together, put things together, post. Grow your page. I will support you. Giveaway game. Let me know. I will help you and do the giveaway. Grow your page. Use your page to interact, to get to know people. You can't tell me that, okay, I don't like. No. I'll bring you to the timelight. She's not a problem type. She's a reserved person. I said, nah, listen to me. You cannot be in this country. Gaga school, white neighborhood. Now the kind of isolated person. No. A fine girl you are. I want you to settle down with the Igbo man. Create your own page. You make your decision by yourself. You want to go? Take your time. You're not in a rush. You're not rushing anything. You want to go? Very pretty girl. Follow her page. Wisdom is profitable to direct. That's her page. Gas school, doing well, earning more than 6 figures in a year, doing perfectly well. How many of them that are here? How many of them? If you have not followed their page, I told her I will support you as much as I can. I will make sure you grow as much, but you need to put effort too. I think she's looking for admin or something like that. So I'm like, not everybody act like admin. I'm telling you the truth. I would recommend some 2 or 3 persons, So, you got to associate with people. You want to call every time. No, I don't want. You don't need to exchange words with anybody. On your library boss, you put about Ogechi. If you want to reply, if you don't want to, you block the person. That's not why you're here. People have different reasons why they're on social media. If your own is to come here all the time, be on them the dog of a man, you continue to do your thing. If you're on just to socialize, do your thing, have fun, Post some certain things on your page. Educate people. Do that. However you want to do. Platform is whatever you make out of it. You know? So, I mean, you guys should follow her page. She has built herself. She has built herself. Yeah, woman, we buy you with a brain. Brain. They did not come here to use their money to cook for men, to use their money to go to Malaysia, no. I say you are pretty, you have brain, you have whatever it takes. I was watching one video. You know, I normally share her video. Always share her videos. Always share her video. Let's help her grow her page. You know? I came across one. I'm a nurse. I'm a friend to the bride. I'm a dental nurse. I'm a friend to the bride. I'm a consultant. I'm a friend to the bride. I'm a doctor. I'm a friend to Masha. You see? Class. This is what defines you. What are you? Who are you? Can you hear one? Can you hear one? From Malaysia to Italy, from Italy to Canada. Is that what you are? Is that you Akuna? Or end up to a taxi driver? What are you? What is your identity? Everything is not about money. Sometimes it's about class. That's why you choose your friends. How many people in a wedding here? Class. Class. Nurse. A doctor. A dentist. A pilot. See? These are the kind of people you need. Few that matters. Look around you. Associate with your class. Dala. Rubbish. Reason the same. Because I know what's the time here. Okay, read my comments. Oh, what happened? What happened, Ijele? What happened, my darling? Get ready. Sometimes you reduce your security. The thing or the I can have some few people who pick it. You know, some few people that she picks among gang many brassmates. I need 0 bitter. Hey, Ijele, my love, really? My own is coming out. Oh, there's Yoku. Ako need to supply me. So tell me about go here now. Come on, I be kusuka you know. In Babona ako say I got power one day. One day the Facebook could check. One day the chama look come up go da ako say. Come go my darling, my darling. How could she supply them my today? Oh, they can get picky phone because they didn't make it. I know. Come go yourself. In Ijele. Oh, my aunt is supposed to support. Nah, demands are much. Demands are much. I pity Ako. I know I pity that young man. Demands are much. He never knew that this thing will go. My enemy is all a bit as a test here. You come back. You come back again. The mania is real. The mania speak for itself. You want to go? Chama boy. Come by. Make sure my Zolobe. Okay, can question on Enugu. I'm on all Enugu states. I mean, I'm on Enugu states. Oh, crane. Let me get to Enugu, baby. Oh, they go pick up until they have marker. Let's walk. Demands are much. I'm not in a hurry, but you got to distribute it all over, honey. You wanna be busy? This a little bit that the Maya will have the Maya no na the Maya may your digestive system are really very nice. the mmanya na-eme gị nwụcha like this obi ada gị ihe ga-ekwelie ga na alụ ọlụ ga dị active than people anaghị alụ dị ọlụ. Feel me? Actually, the mmanya is very powerful, very, I mean, and I know my PJ you go the mmanya make something. The mmanya with the new something. What I got the 10. PJ, I'm not me out the go network with the very poor. Honestly speaking. I don't know. I can't even call her. My network on my WhatsApp is very, very poor. PJ is blessed and favored. I know be small though. Hey. I never see somebody that blessed. That guy is, as in I'm just associate with favor. So favor will affect you. He can end the life where the dance when you're fucked up. Fucked up. Then when there, no matter what they do, they are messed up. It was something else, so trust me. Hey, PJ, I'm trying to add you. Hashtag the mania. Hey, I don't say another man alcohol, but all the can only engaging calm alcohol. Not can engaging calm alcohol. And then they only language and I want no gay. Chibo. Chibo. Apple, that's idiot, that old soon. Because I get no piano. I'm not getting about he gonna come, man. Coge. When he pass, you beginner. When he pass, you don't have anything to me. See. Now let me go talk. For those of you that should and when one comment I read on what they call it, JPAC platform. Somebody was saying, they are aware that the police cannot just start rigging you. Some people are just so useless. Some people are just so useless. You know, some people are just so messed up. Imepono na kumanye American, ashima madu ohane ligwa babu generation, okay? Frustration will permit you. Iyo basaraku ge kweme uma. Odogu kaliri odogu ki ibe ha. Ohe na ewe unu. Odogu a man again in think of on a week make billions. Ohe na ewe unu. You guys have felt like when they feed all legs of a man. Think of an eye make billions. Obuho wayo, osuho shi, obuho ogu. Oso hono ge buta 419. Just ihe Chineke nyere ya ọrụ aka ya. You know, hand work ya ọrụ aka ya Chineke nyere ya. Eji ba na onwe ya uru. Unu shike unu wogene. Ka unu gbawa na ashire anwoke. Kuwa na ashire ka agboro na de. Ne piari aka from left and right. Weke ban uru. After drinking it, my body was sweeting me. Oh, sweetie, again, Biko. Sweeting you like how? Come to back my daddy, Ebukobi. How? Get go to Bagadiaka. How? I said, I tell you. Na Facebook. You make it any man. Via that one native visa. Now we did. Now you go release us by force. And when they buy Kaya. Kaya no wish ya or more great children. When would they go anywhere? For where? For where? Mig major nani megani rumbom they hide and see. You go leave us. PJ, shana the thing they make it kagene. Akomata go kweme una. Apako. Hey. Nwoke akwụrụ no ka mmanụ. Nwoke adịrịgo ka o si adị. Chimachu, PJ gị butere ya ara ka ọ rafa. Na bunye my brother ara ka o lerewe. Asụkpọ ụdọ tụwara. Ikpuwara. Iwu ka nwara ilulu ahụ. That Ribuara Chidek. Nachima, eh? Zolobita say, anum na ọkwa nga anụrụ. Yarụ m nwaanyị ihe ga anaghị ekweli, yarụ m nwoke ihe ga anaghị agụ, ahụ anaghị atọ gị, you know? Hey, Amaka is the guy. Amaka is the guy. Nwaanyị ọma afa. Ị na-etili mkpa na he mmanya eji eme burial, he mmanya eji eme wedding, he mmanya eji eme engagement, he mmanya that deserve every desirable maka Chineke nna. Mmanya awụ mmanya for all. Mbanya for all. Tebo. Chimao na mmiri lekwa mmiri n'ụzọ anyị lekwa peju n'ụzọ ọrụ. Mmiri egide naanị lekwa. Mmiri chai gbama slow taa. Kedu onye m Judas don. Na Judas ndị m agbabe bọọdụ. Judas era na Jesus nye o. Na mmiri amega m ihe Facebook mega anyị o. Onye m onye talo. Mmiri amega ihe Facebook mega anyị o. Nlaba ji slow m down. Ejega m late taa, but it's okay. After all, I'm going tomorrow. It is what it is. I'm on the park. I'm buying. Ishi did them yesterday. Ishi did them. And this is my park here. Park and I take away. Or give the gap. Or go forward. Gap. Or go forward. She gap. Or is two gap. It's a package all of them. And I can't wait for us to move into our house. Hey, one day. One the guy be one shit. But you nigga goes to me in all rounds. In all rounds. Hey. Hey. Chim. Chim. Yoruba sugar, she chim. Hey. Na sugar. As soon as some man number sugar ebusa heavy some man. Na could hurry up. Sugar, in my sugar, one Anambra State. Sugar, Anambra State. Sugar, na my boss, one Anambra State. Sugar, na my boss, Ndodogu, Anambra State. They just decided to split it because man, sugar is the organ. So, Anambra State. So if you want to money chow, anywhere, anything that has to do with Anambra is sugar. Chima, I not gonna why. Nah. So it's all a Zolo bitters. You go to sugar. And then I chase 1 million cartons is sugar. Sugar one number stakes with one of my boss. That's what we do. I'm going to go state. Okalisha herself. Yeah. Okay, nah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I'm one over there. Yeah. Oh, you know that. I'm one over there. Yeah. I don't know why. Manande bang na dinamma, danger. Munande nugu na dinamma, danger. Munande nugu na dinamma. But I want the nuguni, I wanted the cow war. Yeah! Our bad luck, bad destiny. Munande nugu na dinamma, So that is it. I'm on but especially supply ta. I'm not gonna be busy, so I'm not gonna hold it against him, honey. But within before next week around or another, I'm gonna have my money. Mmanya mbo biawe onebu mukamanya biale onebu mukamanya onebu mukamanya onebu mukamanya onebu mukamanya onebu mukamanya. It can only be God, man. Akaraka die kuchiaka man onyo dem go and commit suicide. Yare get magabu onwe gi because we don't want people detained. I tell people here na agba for. Then say mo magiri gi kamanga. Nah. Dikono kan ko godin dikono. All of you that we are crying because I posted my acres of lands. Oh yes, someone want to go. Oh yes, oh. All of you, Queen, that's your cousin, the Pasha. Cousin Asa. But I told you, she's scared of everybody. She's just scared. You know, she's not a social media person. I'm trying to bring her out because I'm trying to school, making the. I mean, relax. Share, baby. Listen. Okay, no, don't know, yeah. Oh, G boom, buddy. I'm gonna get a yash nice. So, please. Oh, Chris. What is your bishop? No, yeah. You're tight. Antioge. You know, whatever you say. Whatever you say. Very soon I'm gonna visit here. I'm going to visit her in a very long. Ashim sister, please come now. I wanna spoil you. Chair, please don't spoil me. I'm a married woman, don't spoil me. I'm not single, don't spoil me. He's only single once. She's told I will take you around. I want to take you everywhere. She's told please. This vacation, please split it. Come now. I'm bored. I'm alone. I'm bored. Cool down. Aquaman Kulito. She's told please now. Please now. Say I'll come. Come on, there. The God. I'll come. The Sam. I still I'll take you. Masha, are you not gonna cook? I should cook. I took I will order you specialties. I will order specialties for you. I don't need to cook for you, honey. I want to order special anything you want until I want to try. Yeah. Jirikaya. Come up Ili Go get I think my spicy. Nothing get out. I just try later. Now go hang up. Nalipam. Eruma bed me eruma. Traffic me. We're gonna see. I'm just trying to late. Make put an agram on late. See. Everywhere but you. Just because of better me at Asranal. Only all is insurance years. And when you try to insurance increase. Just over me at Asranal. Everybody na riziare. Can you imagine? You are na riziare. Yataga Facebook. Now we are here with it. Unu sechani unu ga hapụ anyị aka. Facebook. We shall see. Unu. Yeah, Ishi. Ogechi Okeke Njaka that girl. The girl did too clean. And that girl a black handsome man. Yeah, na be more like this. Nwa ha wo obodo oyibo because the girl na cha na cha ka nje nwa m. Ona cha at the point in the angel na cha white. Nigga reduce turn na cha o. Na cha. Anyway, from my mom's side, Hannah cha. So you know DNA will never lie. We're available where? Who is talking? Who is talking? Who is not him? I gave him my Arab. I told him Ishi yourself because he won't have go. HFOLA my granote. What the fuck? Jim Biana Yada Chada granote. Muna Jim Granota. I know some granite. Oh my freaking god. I it's gonna be on the chefu granote mshileshio. Oh, Jim gave him Zatacha granota. On a Kuchuna Kuchuna Chimo chefulam granote mo chais. Oh, what's going to be getting a chef? Ah, shit. I tell me, man, I'm not upon one. Yes, one of me. We can walk on my cushion soon here. Monogatona as a granite issue. Before you know, I'm on push at the time. I'm a machine on my own. Piam. Eh? Oh, not like them granite issue. She carry out okay. I'm not a miss here. Actually, you go to major project with that one soon. When I finish here. Oh my gosh. God, please let him not see it. Oh. I cover that granite with the blood of Jesus. Hey. Anyway, it is well. Oga Jesus. I should be able to heck them all the time. That time all your. You know, I got track while I come here. The fuck. I put up what I'm on time, oh. So, Manyam, anyway, I don't even need to do art. The mother book chagola the 10 self. What's in the world? Supply I could go supply the too much. Request the too much. Sister. So, because I'm not a Runa. Oh, no, Runa. What are we gonna do now? Oh, I'm not a mini Ijele, me Ijele, Chema, you be ready to settle down, so no need of introducing anybody to you. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Imagine. Yaroshi ndeke deport bano when wuru. Akwanya na nwo otu ọrụ nwa arụ mana aka no they are lazy, useless. Ubo ha baga na bata na achomcha gugu ga. Achomcha go I bata like this bata trouble get man lot Nigeria che chine ka ba no ye wo la ayi. So bungenye. Hey, Chimu. Anyway, can make you go to the all. I can bet you all because I'm going to trouble the women. I got shit. One day, when the Buddha was at Abuja, they got a mission. I got a more in Tapu. When I got was in the Abuja. Oh, Gaberuanongambi. Can you come? Security every week, 1 year. Bandola, it's taking a security watch. Can you come in where I live? You won't yara. You won't yara. Just your thinkable. I'm gonna get taken here. You won't yara. I want John John like you were bandits, you were full of enhancement. We're full of enhancement. But what you What charge scatter your brain? Go nyara. Anya go beri me he fula de nunu. Anya go beri me he zobo. Ojere zobo dia. Anya go beri me he zobo he fula de dudu. Anya ka charge. Ay bari le he ya abo keza he. Kaya mata. Anya beri me kaya mata. Ka charge. What is the rage babu gam? Oh, they be belong. Go nyara. Go to where you belong. Now go to this. Anya bari me henda ba brand Louis Vuitton. I bari me henda ba 1 2 3 3 Louis Vuitton. Anya bari me henda ba. Aba show me leg, show me hand. That's your first shot. That's go even ne banu na ne shanya ba ne shanya rag. Ne shanya rag I do somewhere. And it's so many rag so and it's me hende makonda e makonda raga ina hobo e wonya le nwe shishi wonya ja cho e be just fake week e be just fake bag ma get see do that to belong bro what is people don't get shaken iti ha here je game me wande nda de dry I say my wig is this yeah we just management ka do sharp am somewhere like when you truck anya ga man. Are you fucking kidding me? No, no, no good joy, yo. Huh? No, and you saying they done, me? Alibaba Express. Eh? And yeah, we know them when we see them. And you Monday when she I'm just like Ogechi Diego. You go see them simple. Even how penny that for half of Tiga na baha. But he get define again. You need define the work here on our buyer. You know a bank account here. And I'm bling, hey, Jay, bling. They are all broke ass niggas and bitches. Trust me. Especially you're not a musician. Especially you're not a musician. Here, Jima, how bling. Eh? You want to come and show those shit. One day, it broke. I will know you all, man. I'm one of man. I'm my own of man. No be talk all. You want to go? We know ya. We know ya, baby.